Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. In this video, I'm going to go over the steps that it takes to make the jewelry from start to finish. And most importantly, the quality control steps that we take to ensure that all of you have the best possible piece. So, what does it take to make the jewelry? Actually, our best partners are you guys. You guys comment in the videos or send me a DM that we want this pendant made or this pendant. We actually listen to you guys. I'm going to go into why it takes sometimes a long time to actually put it up on our website. As well as we have a design team. We have a few girls, they're sitting, researching different ideas, new products to bring to our website. A few weeks ago, someone asked us for a Batman pendant. The first step is we have a designer. He drew up a rough sketch with the size. As you see, there's no stones, it's just a shape. I approved of that shape. He comes back to me the next day, Eddie, I put the stones in. I gave him a few comments. What do I want on this pendant? I want it to be a little heavier. I feel like 19 grams for such a large piece isn't that substantial. And I wanted to add a lip around it so it's a little more durable. So if it flips over on a table or something, the stones don't fall out. Once that's ready, we get samples. The reason I never make 200-300 pieces is I want to get samples of the jewelry first. So I'll get 5-10 pieces made. These are our new number pendants that we just bought in. Once this is made, what do? I don't just list it on the website. There's a lot of companies out there, as soon as they get stock in, they need to sell it so they get money. At Harlembling, we manufacture it ourselves. So for me, it's fine. I don't need to pay any vendors. I can hold it. It's precious metal. If it will sit in the vault for a few weeks, it's fine. But why don't we list it right away? When we get the items in, we need to do quality control. How is that made? First of all, the prongs, metal expands with heat. So the first thing I do is I take these pendants and I put them in a stove, in a regular stove, like a kitchen stove almost, for 24 hours at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Why do I do that? You take a chain off and you're living in Florida, you leave it in your car will get up to 150, 160 degrees. You come in, you put it on, you go to the gym. Because of the way the metal expanded, stones might fall out. I make sure not a single stone falls out. We do other things. We take these pendants. We have a very low-tech method. We take a box. We take this pendant. We throw it in the box. We start shaking it around. We take out the pendant. And we're looking for any missing stones. We're looking for any imperfections. We're looking for any damage. When we have plain chains like this, what we do is we bend them a bunch of times. Make sure nothing kinks up. But this is not the real world. For the real world, I have myself and I have my employees. This is a new NFT pendant. I'm going to wear this pendant for 2-3 weeks before I even take pictures of it. I want to see if the stones fall out, if it scratches my neck, if it flips over, if the bail gets stuck. Same goes for this ring. We just made this ring. I've been wearing it for about 2 to 3 weeks. So what's up with this ring? The color is perfect. This is gold vermeil over silver, holding up perfectly. I want to see if it scratches my hand. Some things that a box or an oven can't replicate. My employee Matt over here, for instance. What are you rocking, Matt?
I got this dollar chain, brand new, with the number 7 pendant on. Actually was wearing this to the gym the other day. Got out on the court, wearing it around there, you know, held up pretty nice. No damage at all so far. Had it for about 2 weeks.
How does this chain feel though?
This chain
The ice chain.
Oh, the ice chain? You know, it feels nice. From time to time, you know, I'll have it catch on a little neck hair or something like that. But, you know, nothing a little trip to the barber won't fix.
See, a trip to the barber will fix that. But for our customers, I can't tell you guys to go to the barber. So if we have a chain that doesn't feel great on your neck, we will have to rework this chain. Matt, take this off and send Michael an email right now to rework the design.
Got you.
Guys, this is the quality control steps that we take to ensure that every product that gets to your door is of the utmost quality. We do other things, and I'm not going to mention them in the video because they're very technical, but we scan each piece to see that the stones are set in a perfect way, that all the prongs are holding it down. Everything we make has the Harlembling stamp of approval and was looked on by me personally. Check out harlembling.com. Best jewelry, best price.